Hello and welcome to Weetzer's Woodshop. My name's Ted. We're going to make some things. All right, welcome back to Weetzer's Woodshop. I'm breathing hard. I've been setting this up. Today's objective, eagle up there. Fly, eagle, fly. I got to get up there and level it out a little bit because I noticed it was a little off. So I don't want him, I want to get him at least as level as possible up there. But let's see if we can get eagle 6. Thanks for watching again, tuning in to Weetzer's Woodshop. If you can, like and subscribe, just like everybody else has been doing. Thanks. All right, let's see if we can, holy cow, I'm breathing hard already. All right, maybe I should tape this one. You guys can watch me fall down. Oh, let's get to work. All right, let's see if we can do this. A little bit more. Whew. Eagle 6 is heavy. Nice. Now let's see what he has sticking out here. I think we're good. All right. All right, let's take a break. I'll put this bad boy up there. Probably position it a little more, but it's flat. I might have to get a little bit of this out of the way for his tail feathers. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. That'll work. We have an eagle. Whew. Well, I gotta say it, the eagle has landed. Oh man, that was great. I got it secure up there now, and I sculpted the block of wood that was on so it looked more like wood. So we'll burn it and then polyurethane it, and we'll be good. Next, let's work on these thrones. I brought the big saw today, so we're gonna make some dust, some big sawdust. Oh man, I'm still breathing hard. All right, more work. Now we gotta wedge this thing out of here. Oh yeah. Looks like I might have to go get the crowbar. Oh no, I can probably wiggle this. There we go. Oh. Timber. All right. A little bit of dead right here. Well, maybe not too bad, but that's a nice straight cut. Look at that throne, huh? That's sweet. Oh, big saw, big work. All right, let's do the other one. Man, it's heavy. Oh, so close. Watch your feet. Oh, yeah. Man, now I can work with the little saws. All right, one of my cool tools is I got a planer here, attachment. So what I'm going to do is just smooth this out and dish this out so it starts forming into a chair or a throne. And then we'll cut all this too to make sure that, but I just want to dish this out right here. One thing I want to mention is I now have an Amazon affiliates page. So I'll link all this stuff that I buy or I use or that I would like to promote, because it's a good product on my Amazon page. So if you go there, you get to buy something and then I get a commission for it. So if you could help me out, I would appreciate it so much. So, and I'm only going to post things that I use and that I would endorse, I guess you could say. So, man, if you get a chance, just help me out with that Amazon affiliates. And if you want to buy a barbecue and you're on my page, buy a barbecue. You can buy whatever you want. Barbecue would be great. Anyway, I'm going to use this and we'll dish this out. And we'll almost call it a day. All right, so working on that 7 minutes. All right, so I was talking about my Amazon affiliates page and I was going to promote this product. I am not promoting this product. Shank. The belt went halfway across the yard too, so it's cold, but it's not very strong. As heavy as this weighs a lot, and this is a weak point, so use at your own risk. I was using it in warm weather and it was doing just fine. I didn't get that bad at kickbacks, so we'll see what happens, but now we'll see if Amazon will take this back. But anyway, go to my affiliates page. I'm going to link products that I like. I'm not going to link this, although I can link it, and you just use at your own risk. I was real happy with it for a while, but now it's not good. But and my camera was rolling, but the battery had died, so I didn't catch it. So, dang it. Anyway, got the Eagle mounted, and we got some construction. Sorry about the noise in the background. I'm kind of being loud because my microphone died also, so it's just been one of those days. Anyway, I'm done for the day, and I appreciate you guys watching Weetzer's Woodshop. We'll keep it up and keep going at this. So once we get this throne all seated and dug out, we should be really close, really close. So, all right, thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe.